Welcome back again, people of Good Living Solution. Today is day 2 with my Outback inverter, still running. Last night it ran everything in my house for me. When I get up in the morning, the battery was 4.0%. So this inverter is very efficient. It's way efficient, way better than the hybrid inverter. And yesterday I was talking about the 16 cell batteries with the inverter. It could not invert, because as soon as I put it, when I put on the system, the gateway come on, the event come on, it was showing the fault of the system. Okay, that's what I was showing yesterday. Battery fault sends fault FXR. So when I realize that, I go through the batteries, I look at the batteries, I look at everything. Then I try it on the 7S. Then it come on. So they said that the inverter can go up to 68 volts, but that's not true. So I have it working on the 7S. The charging the battery is at 4.1%. So that's what it was yesterday. This morning, the battery is already full charge. It's floating. I powered my loads in my house. Okay. A good system is a good system. On Outback, somebody might not know what system it's a very good system. They can't go wrong. Okay. Inverted 900 watts at 4 amps. Okay, that's what it's running for the inverter, the graph. Charge controller. Okay, so far this morning, makes a bit of power this morning. The solar panels push a bit of power in the batteries. 48.2 amps at 2190 watts out of my 2480 watts of solar panels. Yeah, the Outback charge control work very well. This is a true MPPT. Okay, it has been operating for 6 hours and 2 minutes. That's all about it, folks. So far, it works very well. This is my breaker, my AC breaker for the inverter. Okay, stay tuned for another part. Thank you for all my subscribers and all my viewers. Putting 1.1 kilowatts in the back, coming from the solar. Okay.